Hey, what's up guys? This is Ian and welcome to another one of my videos. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make this dish. In fact, it's actually a dessert and it's a very simple dessert to make. It's called Bur Bur Hitam, and as you can see, it's black glutinous rice and it's very yummy. It's very sweet, and this is my version of how to make this Bur Bur Hitam. I'm sure there are a lot of versions out there, but this is my version. So hope you guys enjoy my video. Give me a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe to my channel. So let's start cooking. Okay, so here are the ingredients that you need. You need 1 cup 250 ml of glutinous rice. Okay, this is the black one. Okay, and then you need 200 ml of coconut cream and some sugar, which I'm going to show you later how much to put. Okay, so let's start cooking. Okay, so the first step you want to do is to rinse your glutinous rice. Okay, so put your glutinous rice into a pan. Okay, a pan. And then let's move to the sink here, and you will want to rinse your glutinous rice. Okay, rinse it. Okay, really rinse all the impurities out. Okay, and then after that, strain the water. Strain the water out. Do this about 3 times, around there. Okay, try not to lose your rice. Okay, add a bit more water. Okay, rinse thoroughly. Okay, rinse thoroughly. Get rid of all the dirt that's mixed together with your glutinous rice. Okay, pour it out. Okay, try not to lose your rice. Okay, so I'm gonna do it one more time, the last time. Okay, and then rinse again 3 times. Alright, pretty simple, huh? Rinse your water, rice, your glutinous rice. Okay, rinse the water. Okay, so this time add the water and don't rinse it. Okay, so add about the water to about 3/4 of your pot, or your pot. So let's move on to the stove right now. Okay, so here we're gonna put this glutinous rice on the stove, right? And then cover it up and put on the heat. Okay, let's put it to medium heat. Okay, around there, and then we'll let it cook, let it boil, and we'll come back to this. Okay, so now the glutinous rice have been boiling or cooking for about 15 minutes now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. As you can see, it's boiling, and then you want to give it a stir. Okay, all right. As you can see, the rice is not really cooked yet. So at this point of time, you want to add in your sugar. So this is 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, right, and and then give it a stir. Okay, and then I want to give it a bit of savory taste, so I'm gonna give it a bit, just a bit of salt, just a dash of salt, right? Just a dash. Okay, just a bit more. Okay. Okay, and that's it, and then you cover it up. But I see that my water level has dropped, so I'm gonna add just 1 cup of water. Okay, the whole cup. And then give it a stir. Okay, and then I'm going to cover it up again and let it continue to cook, and we will be right back. Okay, so 15 minutes, another 15 minutes have passed, so let's take a look. And as you can see, let me move to this side. Now the water has thickened a bit, and it's become more starchy, but we are not there yet. So and the water level has dropped. So what I want to do is add another cup of water and just let the thing continue to cook. Okay, and then give it a stir. And what you want to achieve is for the rice to open up. Okay, so we're not there yet. So just give it a stir. Alright, let it continue cooking, and we'll come back to it. Okay, so now that my glutinous rice have been boiling for another 10 minutes, let's take a look. As you can see, wow, it's now thickened up. And now it has thickened up and my glutinous rice has opened up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is to add in my coconut oil, coconut cream, not oil, sorry. Alright, so let's add my coconut cream. Right, so this is the cream that I'm gonna add. Alright, so add in. And if you guys want to add more flavor to this, you can also add pandan leaves. Okay, I don't have access to pandan leaves. I've been looking around for it in this pandemic, but I can't find it. Okay, so once you add that in, stir. And in between stewing this glutinous rice, you guys wanna, stir once in a while so that the rice cooks evenly. Okay. Right. So that's it. Okay. Right. That's how you do it. Let's turn off the flame. Alright, and let's plate this. Okay, so I got my bowl right here. Let's start to put this into a bowl. Look at that. Yummy. Okay. Okay, so that's one nice bowl of Bur Bur Hitam, and this is my version of it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Alright, and this tastes really nice. Okay, so I hope you guys can give me a thumbs up for my video, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again in my next video. Cheers.